It's time to have a snack. I have a good idea. I would like a toast and some avocado sauce. I need an avocado. What? How?
Hello, Milana.
Who is speaking?
I'm Val.
Val?
I'm here to teach you.
Oh, again some any much many.
How many avocados have you got?
Have you got one avocado?
Yes, you've got an avocado. Would you like more?
I want some avocados. Ups, there are 4 avocados.
Yes, there are some avocados. Would you like more?
I want a lot. Stop! There are a lot of avocados.
Okay. How much sauce do you want?
I want some avocado sauce.
So you need 2 avocados for your avocado creme.
Sure. Wow. Val, I want a toast with some lettuce and a tomato.
Okay. How much bread do you need?
I need... Please, I don't need much bread. I need some bread.
Here is some bread. How much lettuce do you want?
I want some lettuce. Wow, it's fantastic.
How many tomatoes do you need?
Let me think. I want a lot of tomatoes. No, I want a tomato. Val!
Yes.
I want some slices of tomatoes. So, I'm going to cook a lot of avocado sauce for my friend Sophie and me.
A lot? You said not much. Does Sophie know any rules?
Yes, she knows a lot of grammar rules.
Nice girls.
Look, Val, there is a lot of avocado sauce.
Yes, your friend Sophie will be happy.
Who is calling? Yes, Sophie, I am cooking your favorite food. Where? McDonald's?
Vilana! Where are you going? Your snack?
I don't have any time. Bye, Val.
Look at the rules. Some, any, much, many, a lot of with countable and uncountable nouns.
Countable nouns are nouns which we can count. In positive sentences, we use
or en. Or en.
means one. In negative sentences, we use the same.
Or en.
For example, it is a tomato. It is an apple. It isn't a tomato. It isn't an apple. In questions, we use the same
or en.
For example, is it an apple? Is it a carrot? In positive sentences, we use some. It means a few, some apples. For example, there are some potatoes. In negative sentences, we use any instead of some. For example, there aren't any apples. There aren't any potatoes. In questions, we use any instead of some. For example, are there any apples? In positive sentences, we use a lot of. It means a large amount or number of people or things. There are a lot of apples. It can be a lot of, lots of, a lot. For example, there are a lot of cherries. In negative sentences, we use many instead of a lot of. For example, there aren't many cherries. In questions, we use many instead of a lot of. For example, are there many onions? Uncountable nouns are nouns which we can't count. Sugar is uncountable. In positive sentences, we use some. For example, there is some salad. In negative sentences, we use any instead of some. For example, there isn't any sugar. In questions, we use any instead of some. For example, is there any honey? In positive sentences, we use a lot of. There is a lot of tea. It can be a lot of, lots of, a lot. For example, there is lots of lettuce. In negative sentences, we use much instead of a lot of. For example, there isn't much butter. In questions, we use much instead of a lot of. For example, is there much honey? That is the rule.